Namaste. Welcome to episode 5 of the Mundaka Upanishad series. In the last episode, we heard the beautiful metaphor of two birds on a tree, the individual soul and the supreme self. But now comes the practical question: how do we move from the restless bird to the silent witness? How do we realize the supreme truth? The Upanishad gives a clear, time tested path through tapas, truthfulness, self control, and meditation. 1. Tapas, inner fire, discipline. Tapas doesn't mean torturing the body. It means living with self restraint, dedication, and clarity of purpose. It's a quiet strength to say no to distractions and yes to what truly matters. The fire of tapas burns away inner impurities and makes the mind ready to reflect the truth. 2. Satya, truthfulness. Not just speaking the truth, but living in truth, being authentic, and aligning thoughts, words, and actions. Truth is not just a virtue, it's a spiritual force. The Upanishad says truth alone triumphs, not falsehood. Satyameva jayate nantaram. When we live in truth, we grow closer to the eternal. 3. Shama and Dhamma, calmness and control. Shama is calmness of the mind. Dhamma is the control of the senses. In a noisy world, these qualities help us turn inward to a space of peace and silence where true knowledge arises. Just like still water reflects the moon clearly, a still mind reflects the self. 4. Dhyana, meditation. Finally, meditation, the quiet sitting, observing, and merging into the self. Here, the seeker lets go of thoughts, ego, identity, and rests in the formless, changeless awareness. In that silence, the knower becomes the known. The wave becomes the ocean. The Upanishad doesn't offer shortcuts, but a simple, clear path to freedom. Discipline the senses, live truthfully, practice silence, and seek the self with faith and sincerity. These are the steps that take us from knowledge about Brahman to the direct experience of Brahman. In the final episode, we will explore what happens when that realization dawns. What is the state of the liberated one? What does the Mundaka Upanishad say about the final freedom? Join me in episode 6, The Fruit of Realization. Until then, stay sincere, stay inward. Dhanyavad.